Hello there, my lovely, lovely Year 3 designers. We're going to be getting on with our bowls this half term, and we're going to look at the ones we made last half term. So we made a coil pot. Do you remember going round and round making a coil pot? And then we went on to make a pinch pot, which we then shaped using leaves as a design. We cut into those. And then the last bowl that we made was a bowl using a mould. We placed it in a bowl to get this shape. So it was a flat piece we rolled out and we placed into a bowl to get the shape. So we have a coil, a pinch pot and a moulded pot as well. And for those of you that were working at home, some of you would have tried using salt dough instead of clay. So there's our nice leaf that we did with the bowl. Then we've got our pinch pot. We couldn't get as much height on that one because salt dough is a bit harder to use. Same with the coil pot. You can see you couldn't get the height in the same way because it's softer, but now we can all use clay, which would be lovely. And we're going to be designing and making a bowl inspired by natural forms, just like this leaf is a natural form. Something from nature. And so we're going to be drawing our bowl first of all, what it's going to look like. We're making the design first. And in this little box, you're going to draw a picture of the inspiration for your bowl. I'm taking my inspiration from the natural form of a sunflower. So I'm going to start by drawing my sunflower in this little box here. Now you can use anything that's a natural form. You've been drawing pictures of these, you've been collecting pictures and cutting out and making mood boards or inspiration boards as they're also called. If you haven't been here for any of that, then that's fine. There's lots of photocopies you can use and take inspiration from. Once you have worked out what your inspiration is, you're going to do your design for the actual bowl. And you can see I've got one looking down, a bird's eye view, and one looking from the side. And then the next important thing you need to do is to decide about which parts are going to be which colour clays, because remember we were looking at Halima Cassell, who uses natural coloured clays, and so we want to celebrate her work by using two different colours. So I'm going to do the centre of my sunflower, I'm going to do with the terracotta, the brown, and the petals I'm going to do with the grey. So you can label it and write that on. When you've finished your design, we'll be ready to start making with the clay.